Hey there, science fans! Let's talk about the future. And guess what? The future is now. We're living in a time of incredible scientific advancements, especially in the field of biotechnology. Biotechnology sounds complicated, but it's simply using living things or their parts to solve problems and make useful products. This field is changing our world in remarkable ways, from the medicines we take to the food we eat and even the clothes we wear. Think about it. Scientists can now engineer bacteria to produce life-saving insulin for people with diabetes or develop crops that can withstand harsh weather conditions. That's the power of biotechnology in action. Get ready to explore the amazing world of biotechnology and how it's shaping our future, making it healthier, more sustainable, and full of exciting possibilities. Let's dive in. Biotechnology might seem like something out of a science fiction movie, but it all boils down to harnessing the power of tiny living things, like cells and DNA. Imagine a microscopic world filled with miniature factories, each with a specific job to do. That's kind of what happens in biotechnology. Scientists have learned to manipulate these microscopic factories, instructing them to produce specific things we need. For example, we can insert a gene into a bacterium that tells it to produce insulin. This insulin can then be used to treat diabetes. Another cool example, imagine taking a plant cell and inserting a gene that makes it resistant to a particular pest. That's how we get genetically modified crops that are more resilient and can help us feed a growing population. The possibilities are truly endless. As we unlock more secrets of the microscopic world, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications of biotechnology in various fields. One of the most exciting areas where biotechnology is making a real difference is in healthcare. We're talking about life-saving medicines, groundbreaking therapies, and diagnostic tools that can detect diseases earlier than ever before. For instance, imagine a world without insulin injections for people with diabetes. That's the reality biotechnology has helped create. Scientists engineered bacteria to produce human insulin, making this life-saving treatment widely available. But that's not all. Biotechnology is also behind the development of many vaccines that protect us from deadly diseases. Thanks to vaccines developed through biotechnology, diseases like polio, which once paralyzed thousands of children, are now almost eradicated. And hold on tight because the future of medicine with biotechnology is even more promising. Scientists are exploring gene-editing therapies that could potentially cure genetic diseases, and personalized medicine tailored to an individual's genetic makeup is on the horizon. Imagine having the ability to edit our very own DNA, correcting genetic defects and potentially curing diseases that have plagued humanity for centuries. That's the promise of gene editing, a groundbreaking technology that's rapidly changing the face of medicine. Using techniques like CRISPR-Cas9, scientists can now target specific genes within our DNA and make precise changes, like fixing a misspelled word in a sentence. This revolutionary tool holds immense potential for treating a wide range of diseases. Think about genetic diseases like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia caused by a single error in the DNA code. With gene editing, we could potentially correct these errors and offer a cure for these debilitating conditions. While there are still challenges and ethical considerations to address, the potential of gene editing is undeniable. It's a powerful tool that could transform medicine and offer new hope for millions of people worldwide. Vaccines and biotechnology's impact, a shot of hope. Vaccines are one of the greatest public health achievements in history, and guess what? Biotechnology plays a huge role in their development and production. Traditional vaccines often used weakened or inactive viruses to trigger an immune response. But with biotechnology, scientists can create vaccines using only specific parts of the virus, making them even safer and more effective. The development of the COVID-19 vaccines in record time is a testament to the power of biotechnology. These vaccines used innovative approaches, like mRNA technology, to provide protection against the virus and save countless lives. Biotechnology is also helping us develop vaccines for diseases that were previously difficult to target, like malaria and HIV. With continued research and innovation, we can look forward to a future where more diseases are preventable through the power of vaccines. Biotechnology and agriculture, feeding the world. As the global population continues to grow, so does the demand for food. Biotechnology is stepping up to the plate, helping us produce more food, more sustainably, to feed the world. One way biotechnology is doing this is through genetically modified (GM) crops. These crops are developed to have desirable traits, like resistance to pests, tolerance to herbicides, or increased nutritional value. Imagine a field of corn that can withstand a swarm of hungry insects without the need for harmful pesticides. That's the reality of GM crops. They help farmers increase their yields while reducing the use of pesticides, which is good for the environment and our health. Biotechnology is also being used to develop crops that can thrive in challenging environments like drought-prone regions or areas with poor soil quality. This is crucial for ensuring food security in a changing climate. Biotechnology and the environment. Sustainable solutions. We're all about protecting our planet, and that's where biotechnology comes in with some ingenious solutions for a more sustainable future. From cleaning up pollution to producing biofuels, biotechnology is helping us reduce our environmental footprint. Take bioremediation, for example. Scientists are using microorganisms to clean up polluted environments, like oil spills or contaminated soil. These tiny organisms can break down harmful pollutants into less toxic substances, acting like nature's own cleanup crew. Biotechnology is also playing a key role in the development of biofuels, renewable energy sources derived from plant or algal biomass. Imagine powering our cars and homes with fuel made from algae. That's the potential of biofuels, a cleaner and more sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. From reducing pollution to finding renewable energy sources, biotechnology is providing innovative solutions to some of our most pressing environmental challenges. Biotechnology in factories, from food to fuel. Believe it or not, biotechnology is hard at work even in factories, producing a wide range of products we use every day, from food and beverages to detergents and bioplastics. Remember those delicious yogurts with live and active cultures? That's biotechnology in action. Bacteria are used to ferment milk and create yogurt, giving it that tangy flavor and creamy texture we all love. But it's not just food. Enzymes produced through biotechnology are used in laundry detergents to break down stains and make our clothes cleaner. And did you know that some plastics are now made from plant-based materials thanks to biotechnology? These bioplastics are biodegradable, meaning they break down naturally over time, reducing plastic waste and its impact on our environment. Ethical considerations. Navigating the moral landscape. As with any powerful technology, biotechnology comes with its share of ethical considerations. It's important to have open and honest conversations about the potential implications of these advancements and ensure they're used responsibly for the benefit of humanity. For example, gene editing, while holding immense promise for curing diseases, raises ethical questions about altering the human germline and the potential for unintended consequences that could be passed down to future generations. The use of genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, in agriculture has also sparked debate about food safety, environmental impact, and the control of the food supply by large corporations. It's crucial that we proceed with caution, carefully weighing the potential benefits of biotechnology against any potential risks. Open dialogue, transparency, and robust regulations are essential to ensure these technologies are used ethically and responsibly. What's next for biotechnology? The field of biotechnology is constantly evolving, with new discoveries and innovations emerging all the time. The future of biotechnology is full of exciting possibilities that could transform our lives. One promising area is synthetic biology, engineering new biological systems with enhanced capabilities. Imagine creating artificial cells that produce biofuels or clean up pollution efficiently. Nanobiotechnology combines biotechnology with nanotechnology, manipulating materials at the atomic level. This could lead to targeted drug delivery systems, minimizing side effects. The possibilities are truly limitless. Biotechnologies reach a part of our everyday lives. Biotechnology might seem complex, but it's already a part of our everyday lives. From the food we eat to the medicines we take and even the clothes we wear, biotechnology is making our lives healthier and easier. The insulin that's keeping someone with diabetes alive? Thank biotechnology for that. Biotechnology is here and now, making a real difference in our world.